video. Today we're gonna talk about art and how it can improve your telekinesis. What does art have to do with telekinesis? It doesn't make any sense, right? Wrong. Looking at art, for example, paintings at the wall, or going and watch a good movie, listening to good music, reading a good book, it activates certain brain cells, which also are used for telekinesis. I always say how important intelligence is when it comes to telekinesis. Remember? So, when you improve this intelligence by watching creative art, you can improve your telekinesis. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to create art, and it's totally up to you what kind. If it's drawing a sketch, or painting a painting, playing a music instrument, writing a story, listening to a story, watching a story. In best case scenario, you do all of these things. Reading a good book, I think, helped me most. Reading is a good thing. And watching art, like a good painting from famous artists, and then read about it, read about this art, learn about it. What's the background? What's the backstory about this art? The more you know, the better. And then go back and practice telekinesis. Working your brain, working it out like a muscle, so to improve your telekinesis. If you don't believe me, look at me. I've been studying so much art because I enjoy it. And I see all those people who spend time on their cell phones, playing games, or going through their social medias. What a waste of time. Go ahead and consume art instead. It's not just going to improve your life. It's not going to make you smarter. It's going to also improve your telekinesis. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here